First Dollar Tree stop in Jackson. Okay, look at the shells and the mermaid tails. First Dollar Tree in Jacksonville, Florida. Okay, let's get to the craft area. No problem. Okay, let's see if they got some different stuff or the same old, same old. They got to have something different, I would think. Mm, it's nice and neat, that's for sure. Nice and neat. Look at here. Same things though. So far, anyway. Okay, put you on pause. Pretty much the same. I got a bunch of those. Oh, a different kind of nautical rope. No, I don't need it. I'm not buying nothing extra. If it's something I come across that we don't have that I just gotta have, then I'll get it. Okay, y'all. I wasn't impressed nor excited. So I'm about to roll out of this one.